I'd like to pick the easy way.
Get over here and give me your wrist.
Okay?
Now, I have a plan.
I'm a lady!
Give me your wrist!
Animal.
Stop fighting me!
Yeah, I'll fight it. You like that? You like that? You like that? You like it, girl? Sandy? That's in the tip, Sandy.
Down! Oh, shit! Stay down!
You're like a fucking girl.
Now, once you hear my plan, you're gonna want to come with me.
Not
Stay
go
with me.
anywhere with you.
Damn it.
Fuck you,
Stop right
Sandy.
there and listen to me.
No, go home to your shitty wife and your fucking dumbass kids.
Stop right there!
Why'd you do that?
You did that. Well, that was not the easy way.
I love that guitar. I'm gonna sue you.
You're gonna sue me? Really, you're gonna sue me? Enjoy the empty accounts. I'll be taking my car keys. And what are these? These are future victims? Oh, sit down. They can thank me later. Is that how you buy all this crap? What do you need this for? You're sick.
This stuff is things I use for my charity that I help children with.
For the what?
For my children's charity, you dick.
Oh, that makes sense. I apologize. Hey, you're coming with me. Give me your wrist. What's your name, by the way?
Julia.
Julia.
Diana! Open the fucking door.
Shit.